Welcome to Roam Tips. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to the channel for more helpful content. All the links mentioned in this review are down in the description below. Also, keep in mind that this video reflects my personal experience with the service. Today, we're diving into Red Pocket Mobile, a mobile virtual network operator, MVNO, offering a variety of prepaid wireless plans. You can find their services at www.redpocket.com. What's particularly interesting about Red Pocket is their ability to leverage all four major US networks, AT&T, Verizon, T-Mobile, and Sprint, now part of T-Mobile. This means you can choose the network that provides the best coverage in your area, which is a significant advantage. When selecting a plan, you'll be asked to specify your preferred network. This allows you to tailor your service to your specific location needs and potentially optimize for better signal strength and data speeds. Red Pocket offers a wide range of plans, catering to diverse needs and budgets. They have plans with varying amounts of talk, text, and data, so you can choose the option that best fits your usage patterns. Whether you're a light data user or a heavy streamer, there's likely a Red Pocket plan that will work for you. They even offer family plans, providing cost-effective options for households with multiple mobile users. Navigating their website, you'll find a user-friendly interface that allows you to easily compare plans and choose the one that aligns with your requirements. One of the key selling points for Red Pocket is its affordability. Compared to traditional postpaid plans from the major carriers, Red Pocket's prepaid options can often save you a significant amount of money. This is particularly appealing to budget-conscious consumers looking for reliable service without breaking the bank. They often run promotions and special offers, making their plans even more attractive. It's always a good idea to check their website for current deals before making a purchase. Be sure to carefully consider the details of each plan, such as data limits and overage charges, to avoid any surprises.